Ever pondered the difference between SQL and NoSQL? Or perhaps wondered which one is more efficient for data management? Contrasting these two powerful data management systems can shed some light on their unique strengths and how they can be utilized for different purposes. SQL, or Structured Query Language, has been the standard for managing relational databases for decades. Its tables, rows, and columns are akin to a well-organized spreadsheet where each piece of data has its specific place. This structure makes SQL databases extremely efficient for complex queries, as the data's precise location is known. Furthermore, SQL databases support ACID, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability properties, ensuring reliable and safe data transactions. On the other hand, NoSQL, or Not Only SQL, represents a shift away from this traditional structure. NoSQL databases are non-relational, meaning they store data in a variety of ways, from document-oriented stores to wide column stores or graph databases. This flexibility allows NoSQL databases to handle unstructured and semi-structured data efficiently, accommodating the growing diversity of data types in the digital age. In terms of ease of use, SQL has a bit of an edge due to its long-standing presence in the industry. Many developers are familiar with SQL's syntax and structure, making it easier for them to navigate and manipulate SQL databases. However, NoSQL is gaining ground as it allows for more flexibility in handling various data types and structures. When it comes to scalability, NoSQL takes the lead. NoSQL databases are designed to scale out by adding more servers to the database cluster. This horizontal scalability makes them an excellent choice for large-scale applications that require handling massive amounts of data. SQL databases, in contrast, scale up by boosting the horsepower of the individual server, a method that can become costly and challenging as the amount of data increases. However, this doesn't mean that NoSQL is always the better choice. The decision between SQL and NoSQL largely depends on the specific needs of your project. SQL's structured nature makes it a great fit for applications that require complex transactions with multiple operations or queries that need to be executed simultaneously. NoSQL, with its flexible data model, shines in situations where rapid development is required or where the data structure can change over time. In summary, both SQL and NoSQL have their unique strengths and weaknesses. SQL, with its structured approach, is excellent for complex queries and transactions, while NoSQL's flexible data model and scalability make it a good fit for handling diverse data types in large-scale applications. The choice between SQL and NoSQL largely depends on the specific needs of your project. So the next time you're faced with a data management decision, take a moment to consider the unique needs of your project and how these two powerful tools might be able to help.